Welcome to the vault, where the noise stops and the real money conversation begins. This is not hype. This is not headlines. This is macros, metals, and markets, powered by the first ever AI-generated market recap. If you're here for the long game, you're in the right place. Now let's get into it. A deliberately engineered Monday morning trap in late December 2025 exposed a long-running systemic fraud in paper-silver markets and marked the start of a broader geopolitical attack on the dollar through physical commodity control. From December 26 to 30, 2025, the emergency from Federal Reserve interventions and delivery failures in COMEX and LBMA silver markets revealed that banks had massively oversold silver they did not possess. The silver futures system quietly defaulted into cash. A major bank allegedly failed a $2.3 billion physical silver margin call, triggering $51 billion in Fed repo support, a 2,847% spike in delivery requests, forced cash settlements, approximately 95%, halted trading, and huge price gaps between COMEX paper, $71, and Asian physical markets, $130 plus, showing vaults were effectively empty. Years of hidden inventory drainage and extreme leverage made collapse inevitable. COMEX registered silver fell approximately 73% from 2020 to 2025, with approximately 250 million ounces shifted into private/eligible accounts, while paper claims ballooned to an estimated 300 to 400 to 1, all against a growing structural deficit, about 1.24 billion ounces annual demand, versus approximately 1.01 billion supply, driven by solar, electric vehicles, tech, defense, and medical uses. The crisis is being weaponized as economic and monetary warfare against the dollar. JP Morgan is said to have flipped from a 200 million ounce short to hoarding approximately 750 million ounces. China, India, and others are accumulating strategic silver, restricting exports, and redirecting metal to Asia, so future sales to Western manufacturers are priced in yuan and rupees, gradually undermining dollar-based commodity pricing and reserve currency dominance. December 30th, 2025 was not an accident but a stress test and controlled demolition of the paper-silver system, ushering in a permanent regime where delivery failures, cash settlement, strategic hoarding, resource nationalism, and non-dollar commodity trade become the norm, with escalating industrial disruption and geopolitical conflict over physical metals. The silver market turmoil is a premeditated multi-year operation to seize control of physical supply and weaken the dollar's global power. Please do a research on local physical premiums and delivery conditions as leading indicators of how quickly this alleged shift will accelerate. That concludes today's recap. Catch us next time on The Vaults.